Hello students, once again I am back with linear equation in two variables. Previous lecture we have learned elimination method. This lecture we are going to learn Cramer's method. To save time, I have already written here the two simultaneous equations, that is a1x, b1y, that is the a1 and b1 is the coefficients and variables are x and y, and c1, a2, b2 on a coefficient, x and y variable, and c2. Okay, we have seen determinants. We have written in the same way a1 b1 of the first equation and a2 b2 of the second equation is equal to nothing but what? a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Okay, just like the determinants. Here dx, the determinant dx, what is the formula? Again c1 b1 c2 b2. We are going to multiply c1 b2 minus c2 b1. Again dy is a1 c1 a2 c2 a1 c2 c1 a2 c1. Okay, minus a2 c1. Now in this case, if you will see, when you are finding out dx, you are not writing the coefficient of x, that is a1, a2, you are replacing it with c1, c2. Okay, and here also to remember dy, you are not writing the coefficients of y, that is b1, b2. Instead you are replacing it with c1 and c2. That much you have to remember. So to find the value of x, we are going to use the formula dx upon d, and to find the value of y, dy upon d. So this Cramer's method is also called as determinants method. Okay, we have used here determinant only, which we have learnt in our previous lecture. Okay, so now on this we are going to do few sums. Now it will come solved by Cramer's method. The question will be solved by Cramer's rule or method, whatever. Okay, it can come as an activity also, or it can come as a straight question solved by Cramer's rule. Okay, they will be giving us two equations, 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11 and 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. Okay, so what you are going to do is, this is your nothing but a1, this is your nothing but b1, this is nothing but a2, this 4 is nothing but b2, this is nothing but c1, and this is nothing but c2. Okay, for your better understanding I have written it like this. Now first we are going to find out the determinant d. Yes, what's the formula? a1 b1. So a1 b1, I am going to write 5 3. Okay, and a2 b2, a2 b2, that is 2 and 4, and I am going to solve it. 5 into 4, formula minus 2 into 3. I am writing here only 5 4s are 20, minus 3 2s are 6. 10 minus 6 is 4, 14. So the value of d you got as 14. Now we will find out dx. So dx, what did I tell you? You have to forget the coefficients of x. Instead of that you are replacing c1 and c2. So you are writing minus 11 and minus 10, and here you are writing 3 and 4. Then you will be writing minus 11 into 4, one bracket, minus 10 into 3, another bracket. Minus 11 into this is minus 44, minus into minus is plus, 10 3s is 30. Then again 1 is plus, 1 is minus, minus with greater number sign. 4 minus 0 is 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1 with greater number sign is minus 14. Okay, so now we want to find out dy. So dy, what did I say? you have to replace y coefficients with what? C1 and C2. So x coordinate will be, coefficients, x will be 5 and 2 and y will be minus 11 and minus 10. Okay. So you are going to write 5 into minus 10, one bracket, minus 2 into minus 11, another bracket. Plus into minus is minus, 5 tens are 50, minus into minus is plus, 11 twos is 22. 1 is plus, 1 is minus, you are going to do minus with greater number sign. 10 minus 2 is 8, 4 minus 2 is 2 with greater number sign. So this is again minus. Hopefully you have understood what I have done. I have just substituted here A1, B1, A2, B2. That is this A1, B1, A2, B2. Then for dx, what we have to do? We have to just replace the x coordinates. Instead of that, we are going, not coordinates, rather it is coefficient, x coefficient, it is minus 11 and minus 10. You have to replace instead of x coefficient, minus 10 and minus 11. Minus 11 and minus 10 and 3 and 4, and then you are just cross multiplying. Okay. Now we want to find out dx, or sorry, x. And right here x is nothing but dx upon d. So what is my dx? What did I get? Minus 14. And what did I get? D, 14. So 14 ones are 14 ones are. So I got answer as minus 1. Okay. Now I want to find out y. Y is nothing but dy upon d. That is nothing but minus 28 upon this 4. 14. 14 ones are 14 twos are. So y x coordinate. Why I am getting coordinate today I don't know. I am sorry for that. So x is, value of x is minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Okay. So the values of the solution is nothing but, as conventional method, we are writing first the value of x, that is minus 1, that is the solution set, minus 1 and minus 2. So this is how we are solving the sums by Cramers rule or Cramers method or determinants method. Okay. Now, shall we take the next sum? Okay. Four x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 4x, sorry, it is 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Okay, so this is in standard form, but this you have to write it in standard form. So that is 6x minus 5 will come here, it will become plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay, so now we are going to write it in the form of D, or first you take this is as A1, this you take as B1, this you take as C1. This is A2, B2 and C2. Okay, so now I am taking D is equal to nothing but A1 means 4, A2 means 6, B1 means 3 and B2 means 5. Okay, then 4 into 5, one bracket, minus 6 into 3, another bracket, 5 fours are 20, minus 6 threes are 18, that is 2. So the value of D we got as 2. Now we want to find out the value of dx. So to find out the value of dx, what you have to replace, instead of A1, A2, you are going to write C1, C2. That is 4 and what is C2? 8. Okay, and here you are going to continue this 3 and 5. Similarly, you are writing dy also. Dy, you are first going to write A, that is 4, A1 and A2, that is 6, and you are going to replace C1 and C2, that is 4 and 8. Yes, And now you are going to multiply 4 into 5 minus 8 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 24. 1 is plus, 1 is minus, minus with greater number sign, minus 4. Now again here 4 into 8, one bracket, minus 6 into 4, another bracket. 8 4s are is 32, minus 6 4s are 24. So that is 8. So this is how you found out the value of d, you found out the value of dx, you found out the value of dy. Now you want to find out the value of x, that is nothing but dx upon d, that is nothing but dx what you got, minus 4, and d how much you got, 2. So you are writing here 2. Y, that is 2 1s are and 2 2s are, so you are getting minus 2. Okay. Now y is nothing but dy upon d, that is dy you got 8 upon 2, that is 4. So what is your solution set? Conventional method of writing first x and then y. 2 comma minus 2 comma 4, and we are right. Okay. So now we are going to see one more sum. So once you know this, you are able to solve by Cramers rule. Okay. Now we will take one more sum. The sum says x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Okay. So make it a habit of writing. This one will be your A1, this is your B1, this is your C1. This is your A2, this is your B2, and this is your C2. To find out the value of D, first you are writing A1 and B1 horizontally in the row. A1 is nothing but 1 and B1 is nothing but 2. A2 is nothing but 2 and B2 is nothing but minus 3. And you are just solving it. 1 into minus 3. Okay, in one bracket, I'll put like this, minus another bracket, it is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4, minus, this is minus 3. Yes, so both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign, that is minus 7. Okay, then now we are going to find out dx. So dx, what we have to replace instead of x, c1 and c2, that is minus 1 and 12, and here it will be the same. Again here dy, what we are going to do, replace y, 2 and minus 3 we are going to replace by minus 1 and 12, and we are just going to solve it. Okay, minus 1 into minus 3, one bracket, minus 2 into 12, another bracket. So here it comes, minus into minus is plus, minus 12 to is 24. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus, minus with greater number sign, minus 21. Now here again multiply this, 1 into 12, one bracket, minus minus 1 into 2, another bracket. So this is 12, minus into minus becomes plus, 1 2s are 2. So 12 plus 2 is how much? 14. Okay, so this is how we found out the value of d, we found out the value of dx, we found out the value of dy. Okay, and this is what we are going to find out the value of x is by formula dx upon d, that is again, what is your dx? Minus 21 upon minus 7. Minus minus will get cancelled. 7 1s are, 7 3s are. So I got the value of x as 3. Then again y is equal to dy upon d. That is again dy is what? 14. 14 upon D is minus 7. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So minus 2. So what is your solution set? Conventional method of writing x first, that is 3, then y, that is minus 2. So this is how we got 3 comma minus 2 as one more solution, and we are right. Okay, I'll take one more sum and Cramer's method will be over for the day today. Okay. Again I am telling you, you should remember this. Just substitute the value and just keep on simplifying with proper multiplication and addition properties. Okay. Now we will take one more sum. That is, it says 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and another is x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, first we will see that we are writing this in a standard form. Yes, so you are multiplying it with 2. So you will be getting here 2x minus y is equal to this 2 will go. So 2 will get cancelled. This will be the equation. 2 into x, 2x, 1 into y, y, and this 2 will go there. So 2 upon 2 means it will become 1. So this is your second equation, and this was your first equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. This is your A1, this is your B1, this is your C1. This is your A2, this is your B2, and this is your C2. Just substitute the values and you have to simplify. So now we are finding out D, which is nothing but, A1 is nothing but 2, A2 if I want to write is 2, B1 is 3, B2 is minus 1. Remember this is minus, coefficient is 1, so minus 1. So 2 into minus 1, okay, minus 3 into 2. So minus plus into minus is minus, so minus 2, minus 3 to is 6. Both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign, that is 8, minus 8. Now you want to find out dx. For finding out dx, what you have to remember, instead of the x coefficient, you are writing C1 and C2. That is C1 is 2 and C2 is 1. And you are going to write 3 minus 1. Similarly, dy, you are going to write x coefficient but replacing the y coefficient with the C1 and C2. That is 2 and 1. Okay. So now you are writing 2 into minus 1, 1 bracket, minus, you are going to write 1 into 3. Plus into minus is minus, minus 3 into 1 is 3. Both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign. Okay. Now here it comes 2 into 1, 1 bracket, minus 2 into 2, another bracket. So 2 ones are 2 minus 4. So you are going to get 1 is plus, 1 is minus, minus with greater number sign. Okay. So you are getting what? To find out the value of x, you are writing dx upon d. What is your dx? Minus 5. And what is your d? Minus 8. So minus minus will get cancelled. Answer will be 5 upon 8. Now to find out the value of y, what is your formula? dy upon d. What is your dy? Minus 2. And what is your d? Minus 8. Minus minus will get cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So what is your solution set? First y, that is 5 upon 8, and next is 1 upon 4. And we have done it right. Okay. So this is how you have to solve Cramer's rule or Cramer's method if the sum comes to solve in a particular way. Sometimes it can come in the form of activity also. Okay. So for that matter, you should know this formula. Okay. So today we have completed our topic of Cramer's rule or Cramer's method or determinants method. Hopefully you have understood it. If so, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you all.